Hello, everyone. I'm asked to provide a video saying a few words apart from the content I already provided. This is going to be a little bit non-conventional. So basically, first I'm asked to introduce myself. So I'm Rahul Sharma from IISER Berhampur. And first of all, you should realize that names and recognitions are not really important. What is matters is what I taught. So, and even there, I would ask you to Google something called finger pointing to the moon. It's a Zen saying, and you can actually Google finger pointing to the moon Bruce Lee on YouTube, and you will see a clipping. And essentially, we are just mediums. Teachers, they can be good teachers, there can be bad teachers, but essentially, it's up to you to learn the content which is being taught. And science is eternal. Science is independent of what we think, what we do, and who we are. Okay, so it's a very pure pursuit, and I hope you can see the beauty of Fourier transforms. And the waves were composed of sine waves even before Fourier discovered this method. They are composed of sine waves, and we use Fourier's method to study them now. So in that sense, it's as some poets say, a thing of beauty is joy forever. It's great for you to look to get introduced. And again, don't stop there. Please go to YouTube again, search Fourier transform. You will find much better videos than mine, and it's a gold mine of very useful content.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Priya Hassan and I've been talking to you about astronomy. But my advice to you would be that we all live just one life, so it's obviously best to do something that you enjoy doing. I enjoy doing astronomy and astrophysics, I don't have any regrets about that. But you may have other choices, so I would say at this stage you should explore, see all the options available to you, and according to that, as per what appeals to you, what you like, choose your branch like that. Because if you do something you enjoy doing, you will do it well. So wishing you all the very best. Thanks.
Good day to you. I'm Professor Sharada Srinivasan from the National Institute of Advanced Studies, and I'm pleased to share with you this video on the making of the Aranmula metal mirror, which is an interesting facet of Indian science and technology in a historical perspective. And what is really unusual is that although this mirror looks as good as a modern glass mirror, it is in fact made of metal. It is made of a very heightened bronze, specular heightened bronze. And my studies over the past few decades established the technique of manufacture through metallographic and metallurgical study and the documentation of the various steps of how this mirror blank is cast using a very unusual technique of using a closed crucible cum mold. So although it is a low technology process, it results in a rather skilled end product, and hence it is interesting for us to document our traditional knowledge. And I've also pointed to how we do see these lovely representations of women holding mirrors in Indian sculpture, and how some of these kinds of traditional technologies give us a glimpse into the kind of techniques that could have been used in antiquity to make such utilitarian artifacts as mirrors and so on. So thank you, and I hope you enjoy watching it. This is, of course, a place in Aranmula in Kerala. So over to the documentary, and all best wishes, and thank you for your interest.
Hello students, I'm Sanjukta Roy from Raman Research Institute, Bangalore. I would like to thank the Bookworms Club at IISER Berhampur for inviting me to prepare a recorded lecture session at this mini summer school. I think it's a wonderful initiative by the Bookworms Club to organize this mini summer school with recorded sessions where students can watch and understand the contents of the scientific lecture at their own pace. Well, I'm also fascinated by the name Bookworms Club, and it shows how eager you students are to acquire knowledge and learn about the latest developments in science and technology. I wish you all the best for this mini summer school.